Hey, what's up guys? This is Bailey Stein with Android Authority, and we've been hearing about flexible displays for a while now, but we're finally seeing the first real product. Beating out big players like Samsung, LG, and Huawei, a small company called Royal has unveiled the world's first foldable smartphone, the Flexpay. I recently went hands-on, and well, here are my thoughts. Alright, so the Flexpay is more like a tablet with its 7.8-inch 1440p AMOLED display with nice saturated colors. And oh yeah, that display is flexible. Supported by a hinge and flexible plastic overlay material, you can actually fold the Flexpay down into a smartphone-like form factor. Royal says this material is rated for 200,000 folds, which, if you do the math, should be enough for several years of use. It's undeniably pretty cool, but the implementation here could be better. I couldn't help but feel like I was about to break the device whenever I tried folding it. Hopefully we'll see improved hinge designs which don't require as much force in the near future. But for now, anyone can buy the Flexpay, starting at $1,300. That's a price most of us can't justify, but there is one audience that can, and that's developers. Royal is counting on developers to come up with use cases for this technology, and aside from maybe some hardcore tech enthusiasts, that's really who this product is for. I have to say, the pre-production unit that I played with had some really buggy software. Royal assured me that these issues will be resolved before the device ships though, which will happen sometime in late December. So what's the point of this thing? It's an aggressively first-generation product, no doubt, but its commercial release could end up being a major milestone. Flexible displays aren't catching on until just now, arguably because few companies have been willing to make the risky investment in production facilities. Royal is making those investments, and they're using the Flexpay to send a signal to the industry that yes, this type of product is possible. As more foldable devices are released, we can expect suppliers to compete with each other, which should help drive costs down while driving the pace of information up. And that will be all for now. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell button to be notified when we release new videos. And remember, we are your source for all things Android.